Hey, how you guys doing? This is Jeep King once again making a video for an upgrade to the Jeep JK. Mine's a 2013, but it translates to all the JKs. What I'm gonna be installing today is the headlights for the Jeep provided by XPCTD on Amazon. It's a store that provides many products for Jeeps. So I would like to show you what they have provided me with the headlights that they have provided me with. Here you can see 7-inch LED headlights. This is the instructions they send with the package. Tells you how to go and install this on your Jeep JK. I will be going and doing a little installation video for you guys today, so you guys can see what how to install it and how easy it is. You don't have to go and spend the money on getting them professionally installed, because it's super simple. There's really nothing to it. Let me go ahead and take them out of the package right here, so you guys can see what they look like. As you can see, they're packaged very well. So this is the ones I got. You can see them right here. They have low beam, high beam. Let me turn them around. They're very compact. Here's the plug, as you can see. Very good design. Let me put them right here. He comes with the extension wire. Here you go, the other one. Here goes the other one. And he has the anti-flicker already inside of them, so you don't need the extra box for the anti-flicker. It already comes installed inside of the headlight. This is the conversion. This is to convert it from this plug to the plug that goes on the Jeep. First thing you want to do when installing these lights is you're gonna go ahead and pop your hood, of course. Then you're going to go ahead and take a little screwdriver, something similar to this, and go ahead and pop this one out. You have one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there, and they're fairly easy to pop out. It doesn't really require too much work. All you do is just carefully pop those out right there. Pull the little button out. Once the little button's out, you can kind of wiggle it and it'll come out easy, as you can see. Make sure you try not to damage them. That way you can put them back. If not, you can buy some at the hardware or at the auto parts store. But you shouldn't damage them. They're like I said, they're not that hard to take out. You see, you pop them out, pull the little, and just wiggle them out, and they come right out very easily. You want to take all 6 of those out. Let me go ahead and take them out real quick. Like I said, put them somewhere so you don't lose them. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera and see. If that happens, don't worry about it. You didn't break anything. You just got to put it right back in that hole. You just got to put it right back in there. Don't worry about it. Nothing happened. Go ahead and take the other one out. There you go. Pop it out. Wiggle it out. Last one. Go ahead and pop it out. See, this one came out as well. Don't worry about it, just pop it out. Next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and disconnect your turn signals. That's very easy. They have this little lock, this red thing. It's a lock so that you can't just unplug them. So you gotta kind of stick your hand in there and grab that red thing and pop it back. You'll hear it click just like that. Once it clicks, just press this down and wiggle it out. You see? Let me show you. It locks. Unlocks, you see? So you gotta unlock it. A lot of the Jeep plugs have that. So you gotta make sure you unlock it so you don't break anything. This one is here on the bottom. Unlock it, press it, wiggle it out. That's it. See, very easy. Once you do that, you're ready to remove you're ready to remove the grill. Since you already took off the clips, it should really come loose very easy. So this grill, or all the grills really, here they have a plug, I guess, something that goes in with pressure. So you gotta kind of pull it softly. You know, you probably put a little bit of force to get it out. You're not gonna break anything. Just, you know, wiggle it and it'll pop out. There's one here, two here. Then you have another one right here. And then the last one is over here somewhere. And then here in the middle, here is just like a little stick that goes in a hole, and it's to help you center the grill on the Jeep, buddy. But let me show you. You pull it. There you go. You see? Kind of pulls out hard. Get the other side. Try to pull it. Stick your hand back here. You see, it's not that bad. This side didn't come out that good. There you go. All right, the next step after removing your grill is to go ahead and remove your lights. So these lights are held by a little frame. You see it right here, and they're held by this torque screws. The size that you need is T15. All you got to do is just remove them. Let me see. And you wanna be gentle with all this stuff, because this is plastic, and when you install them back, when you put them back in and install them, you don't want to tighten that too much and risk damaging the hole where the screws go in. So you wanna be gentle when taking them in, you know, taking them off and putting them on. You don't want to damage anything, because then you're gonna have to make the threads again and all that, and you don't want to go through all that trouble. So when I installed the first headlights that I got, I went ahead and painted I sanded that little frame. You can see how it's scratched up already. I'll probably refinish it again this time around. You can see how it's scratched up already over here. It used to be chrome. On a stock Jeep, it's usually chrome. So on your guys' Jeep, it's most likely chrome. Mine is black because I went ahead. I didn't like the fact that the housing of my LEDs was black. The housing was black and the little frame was chrome. When you put them back on, the black and the chrome kind of clash. So I didn't like the way it looked. So I went ahead and sanded them, cleaned them. I bought some regular spray cans, sprayed them, gave it like a nice little primer coat, and then the finish coat. And it lasted good after a while. It lasted good for a while. Just not too long ago, it started scraping, and it's, you know, from bugs hitting it or little rocks hitting it. But, you know, I suggest sand it and paint it, and it looks really good. I'll do that for this installation. Once you remove that, your headlight comes right off. As you can see, I had mine right here. This headlights didn't have the anti-flicker. They didn't have the anti-flicker in the actual headlight. They brought a separate box. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all that and put everything back on. We're ready to install the lights. So we'll go ahead and grab the light. Make sure you look at the DOT sign. It says it right here, DOT. So this is the side that goes up. Go ahead and plug this in. What you want to do is, I'll do it later. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have it with me, but go ahead and wrap some electrical tape around here too, because this has no way of, it doesn't have anything to click in and hold or nothing. And you know, if you take your Jeep mudding or whatever and it gets wet, so just go ahead and wrap some electrical tape around it. You might want to wrap some electrical tape around this one. I'll probably do that as well. And that's it. That's all you need for the installation. Right there, you should be able to turn on the lights, and the lights will work. Go ahead and this kit has some zip ties that they provide. You can go ahead and zip tie this together. Put it in here somewhere where it's not gonna be in the way, and then go ahead and put them in. If you look at these lights, they have these little bumps right here on both sides. They go in the little gaps right here on your lights, so that it holds them in place and they don't spin. If you look at it, I can't spin them around. So that's where they go right there. Then go ahead and put your frame. They only go one way, so just grab them, make sure they match up. Grab your little screws, put them in, put them both in, put all of them in. Let me go ahead and get them installed right now. Have to go get my drill real quick. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's probably better to do this by hand. I'm gonna go ahead and use this drill because I've done this a couple times. But if you do use your drill, just go in softly. Don't let the drill lock anything in, because like I said, this housing is plastic and you can strip that thread really easily. I actually stripped one of them the first time I did my lights. So you definitely want to be gentle and not go in all the way. Maybe get it started with your drill and finish it off by hand. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on right now just to test them out. They went ahead and turned on. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hit the high beams. They both turned on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them off right now, and we're gonna go ahead and install the grill back on. So installing the grill is pretty simple. Pretty much we gotta go backwards on the way we removed it and install it back up. Remember you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. This little center tip right here goes in the hole, and that's what helps you center your grill so everything falls in place. You can go ahead and start with that. Go ahead and put it on there, and then just go ahead and press them in you know where they go. You'll hear them. You'll hear them pop in. See? Go ahead and do all of them. Go ahead and do all of them. Press them all in. Go ahead and press everything in. Once everything is on, go ahead and put your clips back on. Like I told you, if this comes apart, don't worry about it. Just put it back in. Don't press them in, because if you press them in, then you can't put them in the hole. So go ahead and leave them like this. Twist them in just like that, and then after you do that, just go ahead and press them in. So do all 6 like that. Push them in, press them in. The lights look great. They turn on perfect. I'm gonna wait for tonight. Wait till it gets dark, so we can go ahead and I can go ahead and show you guys how bright they are. They look amazing. Like I said, this lights, I got this lights on Amazon from XPCTD. I will go ahead and post their link on my bio. Also check the description of the video. I'll go ahead and post the link to the headlights I bought on the video. Go ahead and check the description, because XPCTD is gonna be doing a 20% off for Black Friday this year. This is 2020. They're gonna be running that promotion all the way till to November 30th. And then after November 30th, I will go ahead and update my my description and put a code that they're gonna give me to give you guys a discount. Once the 20% for Black Friday is over, they're gonna go ahead and give me a discount code, so I can go ahead and give it to you guys. That way you guys can get a discount on the lights. But go ahead and check them out. They have different lights, different lights for different vehicles. They have for Jeeps, for different vehicles. So go ahead and check their store out. Like I said, I'll have the link on my description. This right here is what the stock headlights look on a Jeep. The stock lights right here. This is the low beams, high beams, low beams. This is what the stock headlights look like. Now I'm gonna show you what the LEDs look like. This is what the LED lights look like. This is low beams, high beams. So as you can tell, they're pretty bright. They're a lot brighter than the stock headlights. The LEDs are definitely brighter. You can see a lot better. The high beams work good. As you can see, there's no flickering on them. So all in all, I definitely recommend this lights. They're good LEDs. I recommend them. Like I said, please look at the description. The store on Amazon.com is gonna have a 20% off from now till for Black Friday, from now till November 30th. You can see in the description of my video, you'll have the link to the product I bought, the LED lights that I have. Once Black Friday is over, I will update my description with a discount code that they are gonna give me for all my viewers. So I suggest you guys use it. Go and buy whatever it is that you need. Check out the store, look at all their items. Very good quality, good packaging. All in all, I recommend it. Please, I hope you enjoyed my video and you liked my installation tutorial. Please like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel, show some love, leave comments, do whatever. Anything is appreciated. All right, you guys have a good one. Thank you.